Welcome to my channel AI Tools Hub. In this video, I am going to tell you about 10 AI tools that you can use in place of ChatGPT, so forget ChatGPT and use these and enjoy. First website is Bard. Bard AI is an artificial intelligence designed to assist and enhance creative activities, much like a human bard would do in traditional storytelling or performing arts. This AI is equipped with advanced language capabilities and creativity algorithms, allowing it to generate compelling stories, poems, songs, and other artistic content. It can analyze and understand human emotions, preferences, and cultural context to tailor its creations to specific audiences or themes. With its vast knowledge of various art forms and genres, the Bard AI can also provide valuable feedback and suggestions to help artists and writers improve their work. Essentially, the Bard AI serves as a versatile and innovative tool to inspire, entertain, and collaborate with humans in the realm of creativity and imagination. Second website is Blog Title Generator. An AI-powered blog title generator is a clever tool designed to help writers and content creators come up with catchy and attention-grabbing titles for their blogs. Using advanced algorithms and language capabilities, this AI analyzes the topic or content of the blog and generates multiple creative and relevant title options. It saves time and sparks inspiration, as users no longer need to struggle with brainstorming titles themselves. With the AI's ability to understand keywords, trends, and audience preferences, it ensures that the suggested titles are engaging and appealing, increasing the chances of attracting more readers and driving traffic to the blog. Ultimately, the AI-powered blog title generator serves as a valuable assistant for content creators, making the process of crafting captivating titles much easier and more efficient. Third website is Keyword Search AI. Keyword Search AI is an artificial intelligence system that specializes in understanding and processing keywords to retrieve relevant information from vast databases, websites, or documents. This AI technology uses sophisticated algorithms to analyze and interpret the context and meaning of keywords, enabling it to provide accurate and targeted search results. It's commonly used in search engines, content management systems, and various applications to streamline information retrieval, making it faster and more efficient for users to find the specific information they are looking for. Keyword Search AI plays a crucial role in organizing and categorizing data, improving search accuracy, and enhancing the overall user experience across a wide range of digital platforms. Fourth website is Beethoven.ai. The main function of the customizable royalty-free music service is to provide a versatile and unique musical solution that enhances storytelling across various media. Whether it's for videos, films, podcasts, presentations, or other creative projects, this service offers a wide range of music tracks that users can tailor to their specific needs. With the ability to customize the duration, mood, tempo, and instruments, content creators can effortlessly match the music to the tone and atmosphere of their story. The royalty-free aspect ensures that users can use the music legally without worrying about copyright issues, making it a cost-effective and hassle-free option. By offering a diverse collection of high-quality compositions, this service empowers storytellers to captivate their audience, evoke emotions, and elevate the overall impact of their narratives. Whether aiming for excitement, inspiration, drama, or tranquility, the customizable royalty-free music becomes an invaluable tool for content creators to craft unforgettable and immersive storytelling experiences. Fifth website is Reimagine Your Home AI. The concept of Reimagine Your Home AI envisions a futuristic and intelligent home assistant that goes beyond the traditional smart devices. This next-generation AI would integrate seamlessly into every aspect of your living space, using cutting-edge technology to enhance convenience, comfort, and efficiency. Imagine an AI that not only controls your lighting, thermostat, and security but also understands your preferences, routines, and emotions to create a personalized and adaptive living environment. It can anticipate your needs, suggesting recipes based on your dietary preferences, curating playlists that match your mood, and even adjusting the ambience to promote relaxation or productivity. This advanced home AI would be voice-activated, touch-responsive, and equipped with state-of-the-art sensors to create a truly immersive and interactive experience. Whether you're at home or away, this intelligent companion would constantly evolve and learn from your interactions, making your living space truly smart and tailored to your unique lifestyle. Sixth website is Loka.ai. Loka.ai is an innovative logo generator that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to simplify the logo design process for businesses and individuals alike. With its user-friendly interface, Loka.ai enables users to create professional and eye-catching logos without any design experience. By inputting their brand name, industry, and design preferences, the AI algorithm swiftly generates a wide array of logo options. Users can then further customize and fine-tune the designs to suit their unique vision and brand identity. This logo generator's vast library of icons, fonts, and color palettes offers endless creative possibilities, allowing users to create logos that are both distinctive and memorable. Loka.ai empowers entrepreneurs, startups, and small businesses to access high-quality logo design services at an affordable cost, enabling them to establish a strong visual presence and leave a lasting impression on their target audience. Seventh website is Stored.ai, the concept of create data presentations leaders love. In Seconds envisions an advanced data presentation tool that revolutionizes how information is communicated in the business world. This powerful platform utilizes cutting-edge technology, including artificial intelligence and data visualization algorithms, to swiftly convert complex data sets into clear and visually appealing presentations. With user-friendly features and templates, professionals can effortlessly craft data-driven slides that resonate with executives, stakeholders, and decision-makers. By presenting information in a concise and impactful manner, this tool enables leaders to quickly grasp key insights, make informed decisions, and drive the organization's success. From charts and graphs to interactive elements, the data presentation platform enhances the storytelling of data, allowing leaders to unlock actionable intelligence in a matter of seconds. Eighth website is BrandBastionAI. BrandBastionAI is a company that provides AI-powered social media management and moderation services for brands and advertisers. The platform utilizes advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to monitor and safeguard brand reputation across various social media platforms. BrandBastionAI's technology analyzes comments, posts, and messages in real time, swiftly identifying and filtering out harmful or inappropriate content, such as hate speech, spam, or offensive remarks. It also engages with positive interactions, responding to comments and queries, and providing personalized customer support. By automating the moderation process, BrandBastionAI ensures that brands maintain a positive online presence and protect their image while fostering genuine and meaningful interactions with their audience. This AI-driven solution has become increasingly crucial for businesses seeking to maintain brand integrity and foster a safe and welcoming social media environment for their customers. Ninth website is Cohesive AI. Cohesive AI could potentially refer to an artificial intelligence system or platform designed to bring together and unify various AI technologies or models into a seamless and integrated solution. The goal of Cohesive AI might be to overcome the fragmentation and challenges associated with using multiple AI tools by providing a cohesive and comprehensive approach to AI implementation. This could involve streamlining data integration, standardizing AI interfaces, and optimizing the interoperability of different AI components. By fostering cohesiveness among diverse AI applications, Cohesive AI aims to enhance efficiency, effectiveness, and scalability in various industries, empowering businesses and organizations to harness the full potential of artificial intelligence in a more coherent and unified manner. 10th website is adcreative.ai. Adcreative.ai potentially refer to an artificial intelligence-powered platform or tool related to advertising and creative content generation. It might be a platform that uses advanced algorithms to analyze data, audience insights, and advertising trends to create compelling and engaging ad creatives for various digital marketing campaigns. Adcreative.ai could offer marketers and advertisers a powerful solution to streamline their creative process, providing them with personalized and data-driven ad content that resonates with their target audience. But wait, there's many more. Subscribe my channel for more amazing AI tools. Thanks for watching.